Okay, good morning, friends. Let's begin today. So, we are going to start our class. All students pay attention. So, it is requested that all students should rename yourself with roll numbers. So, Ashomeg, I don't know your roll number. So, you just saying all students send your roll numbers into chat box and rename yourself with roll numbers because at the end I have to ask you people your roll numbers. If you have mentioned it already, I can mark your roll numbers in the beginning so that your roll number will not be asked at the end. In last 5 minutes, I have to ask roll numbers of students uh, who have not mentioned their roll numbers, or sometimes these students just join with device name. So that time it is difficult for me to mark your attendance. So let's begin. Yesterday, we people were having some examples which were based on articles, and I'm sure that you people might have got answers of all the questions, 10 questions, examples that we people have yesterday discussed. So we will discuss them and then we will just go to the next point. Okay, so you people can tell me answer. Is my voice reaching to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So all students might have the 10 examples noted down, and you might have wrote down answers also. So first example I'm going to read, and somebody of you just tell me answer. My mother is a dash honest woman.
And
And
honest.
and
Yes. So it's an honest woman. Why and? Because the word which we people are going to use as an article. So we use article before nouns. So our noun is woman, but before woman, we people have used adjective. So what kind of woman it is? It is honest. And though it begins with H, but we pronounce it with O or A, and that's why O is a vowel sound, and we people have to use and. So therefore, for first example, answer will be and. So those who have not written, you people write it down. Then next, second example, I'm going to read. You people can answer me like this. I heard dash interesting story yesterday.
The
Okay. Only one answer D. Is there anyone who has different answer, or all you people think D?
Answer.
and
Huh. Okay, so in the case of this example, you might be having some confusion with the story. So let's think of the story, that the story which you people might have heard, it is not a particular story, and so instead of the, and will be the suitable answer for this question. So the will not be or the will not be here, but I heard an interesting story yesterday. So for second also, correct answer will be and. So you people just mark it, or if you correct it, and you people just accordingly do changes. Then next,
Uh,
number three, please give me a dash bottle of water.
uh,
oh,
uh, uh,
uh,
Okay, so all you people are mentioning same
uh,
answer,
uh,
and
uh,
that's final. So a bottle of water. Because here, if it is just water, we will not have used article. But before water, we people are using bottle. So bottle is a countable noun, and for bottle, we people can use article a. So a will be answer. All you people are right. That answer will be a bottle of water. Then next number four, I like to play dash cricket.
cricket.
cricket,
cricket.
A,
cricket,
Cricket.
a
Uh,
cricket.
cricket. The cricket.
cricket,
The cricket.
The cricket. Okay,
cricket,
so
cricket.
those who wanted to say a cricket, these people should send me it into chat box. That you have to write a and send it into chat box. Those who are saying a cricket. And equally, those who are saying the cricket, they also send me answer in chat box. The. Yes, somebody is saying no article. Snehal saying, I think. Okay, so lots of only cricket. Okay, Pallavi. Lots of responses we people are uh, getting, and I'd like to just ask those people who said, I think Snehal, you told me no article, or Pallavi. Snehal or Pallavi, can you tell me why you think, why is it so? Only cricket. Pallavi, why you do you think only cricket? Or Snehal, why no article? Praveen also. Praveen, Snehal, or Pallavi? You people have to answer me.
Sir, cricket is name of game, na? And we don't use the before game
Huh.
articles.
Yes. Yesterday only we people have discussed this point, and so don't be blind. So cricket is name of game. So before names of game, we people don't use. So maybe the volleyball or not a volleyball, not any of the games. It is not only cricket, but uh, any of the name of game we people don't use article. So it is not I like to play cricket, that is the simple sentence. So that was I just deliberately inserted this example to ensure that you people are going to remember, because right now you people made mistake. I'm not saying that you people made mistake, but you people are going to remember that if the noun is name of game, then before that you people are not going to use article, and this mistake you people are not going to do in the future. So therefore you people all are expected to take note of it. In future you people are not going to do such kind of thing. Before names of game there will be no articles. So all right. So next example will be number 5, and that's quite simple. I eat dash orange every day for breakfast.
An orange.
And
An
orange.
orange.
And
An orange.
Orange. Okay, all you people are right, because that is simple, because orange begins with AEIOU, that is vowel sound, and an orange. That will be final answer. Next one, number 6. Dash movie I saw last night was boring.
Um, a movie.
The
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 movie.
movie.
the movie.
Okay.
The movie.
The
Okay, so
movie.
how many of you are saying a movie? They should send me into chat box. Those who are saying a movie, because here movie that we are referring, it is not any movie. If we say a movie, it means any movie, but if we say the movie, it means that the movie which I saw last night. So therefore we are referring to a particular movie here, and that's why it will be the movie I saw last night was boring. So answer is the and not o. Accordingly you correct. Okay. Then next, number 7, very simple example is, and I am sure all you people are able to answer. Mom baked a dash cake. So for first, what will come?
Okay.
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 Okay. All you people are right for first. Mom baked a cake. Now next, dash cake was delicious.
The cake
The cake
The
was
cake
The
was.
cake
okay.
was
Yes. All you people right. In first blank, you people have to use a. Mom baked a cake, and then in
Oh.
next sentence, the cake was delicious. Because in first case, you are referring to first time, and so that's why it is article a, and you are referring second time. Now for same cake, you are referring second time, so therefore it is becoming now specific. So the cake was delicious. You people are right. Then next. Number 8, he loves playing dash flute. Where
the
there is
flute.
the flute or
The
no
He
article?
loves playing the flute.
The flute, the
The.
flute. Okay. So
Uh,
all you people are right, because it will be the flute. Flute is name of musical instrument, and so it will be the flute. Then next, number 9, he is a dash European boy.
He is
And
oh
Okay,
the
so
oh
here
And the you
कंट्री
oh
म्हणलं ना द येऊ शकत नाही.
European.
पण बॉय म्हणल्यानंतर ते येऊ शकतं ना दी.
Okay, you people just think that what expected we in this answer. It is European. Europe is not used here as a noun. एक noun म्हणून वापरलंय का Europe? It is European country. When we say European, युरोपियन हे ऍडजेक्टिव्ह म्हणून वापरलं या वाक्यामध्ये. सो यू डोंट थिंक ऑफ युरोप हे कंट्रीचं नाव आहे अँड सो इट विल नॉट कम. की नाऊन आपलं कुठलं आहे? बॉय हे नाऊन. ओके, नाउ पीपल हॅव टू थिंक ऑफ इट्स बिगिनिंग, वेदर इट इज कमिंग विथ vowel sound or consonant sound. So European, when you pronounce Europe, whether it is vowel sound or consonant,
कॉन्सोनंट.
vowel
vowel sounds means A, E, I.
consonant
Those are vowel sounds.
कॉन्सोनंट.
Consonants.
Consonant sound. So if it is consonant sound, now people have to think if it is consonant sound, whether it will be or and. Consonant sound असेल तर अ येणार की an येणार आहे.
oh
So answer will be he is a European boy. So those who are saying and,
Yes.
these people have to remember it's a sound. त्याचा उच्चार कसा होतोय? युरोपियन य हा साऊंड होतो and य इज नॉट वॉवल, इट इज कॉन्सोनंट. स्वर आणि व्यंजन मराठीमध्ये जर तुम्ही घेत असाल तर स्वर असेल तर अँड वापरायचे आणि व्यंजन असेल तर अ वापरायचे. सो य हा साऊंड इट इज व्यंजन. सो वी पीपल आर युझिंग इट इज अ युरोपियन बॉय. Okay, so that will be answer, a European boy. And last one, काही डाऊट आहे का कोणाला?
no sir.
स्क्रीन अजून मी नाही शेअर केली. आय एम जस्ट म्हणजे हे टाईप केलेले नाही आहेत माझ्याकडं. आय हॅव नॉट शेअर स्क्रीन. विल डिस्कस दिस अँड विल कंटिन्यू विथ स्क्रीन. आफ्टर दिस एक्झाम्पल आय विल शेअर द स्क्रीन. देन नेक्स्ट नंबर 10, लास्ट वन. हां,
सर द युरोपियन बॉय येत नाही का?
द युरोपियन बॉय इट विल नॉट बी, नाही येणार आहे असं. कारण आपण ह्याच्या
लास्ट लेक्चर मध्ये
कुठल्या
सांगितलं होतं ना तुम्ही द इंडियन द युरोपियन.
इन दॅट केस इट इज नॅशनॅलिटी. युरोपियन ही नॅशनॅलिटी नाही. युरोप हा एक नेशन नाही. युरोप इट इज नेम ऑफ दॅट एंटायर, सो मेनी नेशन्स आर देअर इन युरोप. इफ इट इज
खंड.
येस दॅट इज कॉन्टिनेंट. येस, खंड आहे. युरोप हा खंड आहे, कॉन्टिनेंट आहे. सो इट इज नॉट नॅशनॅलिटी. युरोपियन ही नॅशनॅलिटी नाही होत आहे. जर ती नॅशनॅलिटी म्हणून वापरलं असतं, ही इज द इंग्लिश जर म्हटलं आपण तर मग ती नॅशनॅलिटी झाली. किंवा ही इज द फ्रेंच असं म्हटलं तर ते नॅशनॅलिटी झाली. किंवा ही इज द इंडियन, दॅट इज विल बी ओके. पण युरोपियन इट इज नॉट नॅशनॅलिटी. कालच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण नॅशनॅलिटी बद्दल वापरतो आणि जर नॅशनॅलिटी असेल तर ते दच येणार आहे. पण युरोपियन इट इज नॉट नॅशनॅलिटी. युरोपियन इट इज युज्ड एज अन ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आणि त्याचा फक्त आपल्याला साऊंडच बघायचा, उच्चारच बघायचा आहे की इट विल बी वेदर कॉन्सोनंट आहे की वॉवल आहे. अँड जरी सुरुवात ईनी होत असेल ना, इवन देन ऑल्सो इट्स प्रोनाउन्सिएशन इट इज कॉन्सोनंट लाईक य. सो इट विल बी अँड. आणि या कॅटेगरीमधली जी काही बाकीचे एक्झाम्पल होते बघा, सुरुवातीला आपण आर्टिकल शिकताना आपण त्यामध्ये सांगितलं होतं की आय विल सेंड इट इन चॅट बॉक्स की युनिफॉर्म असेल, युनिफॉर्म किंवा युनिट आहे. सो इन दिस केस किंवा वन आयड मॅन असेल तर या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये हे जे लागू होतं ना तेच आपल्याला इथं लागू होतं की अ युरोपियन बॉय. त्यामुळं इट विल बी अ युरोपियन अँड नॉट द. इज इट क्लिअर?
येस सर.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So last example we'll discuss. Rajesh has dash very interesting point to make.
द.
In this case, yes, Akanksha, unique. That is also for earlier. But for last example, it will be O. Rajesh has व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट. कारण इंटरेस्टिंग वरती आपण नाही बघणार, इंटरेस्टिंगच्या अगोदर व्हेरी आलं तर व्हेरीचा साऊंड आपण बघणार. नाऊन आपल्या इथं बघा पॉइंट हा हे नाऊन आहे, पण पॉइंट वरती आपण जातो का नाहीये, पॉइंटच्या अगोदर इंटरेस्टिंग आहे. जर व्हेरी नसतं तर अँड इंटरेस्टिंग असायला असतं, पण इंटरेस्टिंगच्या अगोदर पण व्हेरी आलंय. व्हेरीचा साऊंड आपल्याला बघायचा व हा कॉन्सोनंट येतो आणि म्हणून इथं सुद्धा काय होणार आहे, आर्टिकल विल बी द आन्सर. So Rajesh has a very interesting point to make. So that's answer. Yes, a very. You're right. आता जे डिस्कस केले सगळे एक्झाम्पल, त्यामध्ये आणखी कुणाला जर अडचण असेल, काही शंका असतील, यू मे आस्क.
सर सेकंड एक्झाम्पलचं आन्सर काय येतंय?
सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, आय हर्ड अन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी.
सर तिथं इंटरेस्टिंग मध्ये ई असा साऊंड येतो ना?
इंटरेस्टिंग
इंटरेस्टिंग
ई येतो, पण ई हा वॉवलच आहे ना. AEIOU मध्ये ई. इंटरेस्टिंग आपण ई म्हणतोय. ई आणि य गाईचा आणि ई इज वॉवल साऊंड, आणि य हा यातला वॉवल मध्ये येत नाही.
ओके.
ठीक आहे, अजून कोणाच्या शंका आहेत? ओके फाईन. सो तुम्ही फक्त या 10 एक्झाम्पल वरतीच थांबायचं नाही. यू सर्च मोर एक्झाम्पल्स अँड ट्राय टू सॉल्व. थोडेसे सोडवण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. तुमच्या हातामध्ये स्मार्टफोन आहे, गुगल आहे, सिम्पली सर्च मोर एक्झाम्पल्स आणि ते सॉल्व करा. किंवा आय वुड लाईक टू सजेस्ट थोडंसं इंडिया बिक्स वगैरे वेबसाईट आहे, इंडिया बिक्स वरती जा. आय विल सेंड इन टू चॅट बॉक्स. गुगलवरती इंडिया बिक्स असं सर्च करा आणि त्यामध्ये इंडिया बिक्स चॅटमध्ये टाकलं मी. मला वाटतं चॅट फक्त एकाच व्यक्तीला गेलं. परत मी पाठवतो. हे सर्च करा गुगलमध्ये आणि त्यामध्ये तुम्ही गेला की जे फर्स्ट सर्च येईल, रिझल्टचा ऑप्शन येतो सर्चचा, त्यावरती क्लिक करा. त्यावरती गेले की तुम्हाला खूप सारे ऑप्शन्स देतात. त्यामध्ये ॲप्टिट्यूड आणि व्हर्बल ॲबिलिटी या दोन्हींची प्रिपरेशन तुम्हाला तिथं करता येते आणि तिथं टेस्ट असल्यासारखं आहे. तर तुम्ही काय करू शकता, त्यातलं एका व्हर्बल ॲबिलिटीमध्ये जा, त्यातल्या सेक्शनमध्ये व्हर्बल ॲबिलिटीमध्ये जा आणि तिथं मग इंग्लिश ग्रामरवरचे काही क्वेश्चन्स असतात, ते क्वेश्चन्स तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. तिथं तुम्हाला आन्सर पण मिळतात. जर एखादा प्रश्न आपला सिलेक्ट बरोबर आहे किंवा चुकीचा आहे हे तुम्ही तिथं चेक करू शकता. ओके. हे ॲडिशनल आहे, म्हणजे हे काही पार्ट नाही आहे, आपल्या सिलेबसमध्ये येत नाही फार. तर आपण एक्झाम्पल फक्त असे आता मी जसे दिले होते तसंच एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला IC टेस्टमध्ये येणार. पण ॲडिशनल तुम्हाला प्रिपरेशन, पुढचं प्रिपरेशन सांगतो मी. बाबा तुम्ही ज्यावेळेस कुठलं ॲप्टिट्यूड टेस्ट देणार प्लेसमेंटसाठी वगैरे, तुम्हाला ॲप्टिट्यूडची तयारी वगैरे करायची असते. फॉर दॅट पर्पज आय एम जस्ट रेफरिंग दिस. आणि तिथं फक्त व्हर्बल ॲबिलिटीज नाही तर ॲप्टिट्यूडचे क्वेश्चन सुद्धा तुम्ही काय करू शकता, सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. ओके. So we'll continue with our next part. इथं आपण आर्टिकल आपण पूर्ण केलंय. आणखी जर वाटलं गरज पडली तर आपण रिव्हिजन घेऊ किंवा जास्त एक्झाम्पल म्हटलं तर जास्त एक्झाम्पल आपण नंतर बघू. आणि त्याचा पुढचा भाग आहे तो नाऊनला आपण सुरुवात करणार आहे. PDF आय विल ट्राय टू सेंड. PDFच्या बाबतीमध्ये ते काय होतं की ओनली क्लास कोऑर्डिनेटर्स हॅव ॲक्सेस टू सेंड मेसेजेस इन टू टेलिग्राम. टेलिग्रामवरती मला ॲक्सेस नाही की मी त्यावरती काही मेसेज पाठवू शकतो. जसं तुम्हाला काही पाठवता येत नाही तसं मला सुद्धा काहीच पाठवता येत नाही. सो आय विल डिस्कस विथ क्लास कोऑर्डिनेटर टू सेंड यू PDF ऑफ सच काइंड ऑफ वॉट एव्हर जे स्लाइड्स किंवा नोट्स असतील त्याच्या PDF मी सेंड करायला सांगतो अनिकेत. Okay, so let's begin today with new topic, and that's noun. Very simple topic. I'm sure that all students might have studied it and have very clear idea that what noun is and what their types are and what examples are. But still, we people would like to go through this and will discuss examples also. So very simple. I think that in the beginning when I decided to discuss syllabus, that time I told you people that noun is nothing but it is name. And the name of whom, name of everyone that you see around you, that you know, that you have heard of, that you have just imagined of. Everything that maybe मी कुठलाही असा विचार इवन दॅट किंवा कुठलीही गोष्ट असू शकते, एव्हरीथिंग दॅट इज कमिंग टू यू इट हॅज अ नेम. फॉर एक्झाम्पल यू कॅन सी तुमच्या आजूबाजूला काय काय दिसतं. यू मे सी ट्री, प्लांट्स, फ्लॉवर्स, मेन, मे बी a book, pen, pencil, everything that comes to you, that know you, computer, mobile, headphone, charger, and whatnot. So that list will be unlimited. Nouns are unlimited. I cannot give these a few examples of the noun. Okay, but in short, as far as the definition will be concerned, you people have to just try to understand. You can note it down also. Noun is nothing but it is name. Name of whom? Name of, it can be name of person, it can be name of a place, it can be name of a thing also. So in person, place and thing, we are going to cover everything. Okay, यामध्ये सगळ्याच गोष्टी येतील. पर्सन, then place and thing. So maybe name of you and me, they are person. Name of place, maybe Pandharpur is name of place, Mumbai is name of place, Solapur is name of place. Any place that is, you know, that will be again name of place. Okay, and then in thing, I would like to tell you in thing what you people can consider. तुमच्या हातामधला pen, pencil or mobile, these are the names of things. Okay, so in slide you people can read that a noun is a word used to name person, animal, place, thing and abstract idea. तर वरती जे आपण डिस्कस केलं सेम इज मेन्शन इन हियर दॅट पर्सन, ॲडिशनली ॲनिमल सुद्धा येतात त्याच्यामध्ये, place and thing already we discussed, and abstract idea. So now people need to understand what is an abstract idea. Can anybody tell me what abstract idea will be? So yes, okay, fine. Abstract idea, it means something that we people cannot show, cannot touch, but we experience it, we feel it. That's called abstract idea. जे आपण पाहू शकत नाही किंवा दाखवू शकत नाही. Yes, so such kind of things will be abstract idea. आणि those nouns, why we people have to study nouns? का अभ्यास करायचा? Because when we people use language, when I'm talking to you people, I'm using words in that sentences. Okay, and among many of the words I'm using some nouns. आता मी तुमच्याशी बोलताना जे शब्द वापरतो त्या शब्दातले काही वर्ड्स हे nouns आहेत. Okay, so it depends upon the user or it depends upon the speaker that what kind of function that noun performs. मग मी noun काय म्हणून वापरू शकतो एका सेंटेन्स मध्ये? I can use noun as a subject of sentence. Okay, so I'm writing in short that it can be subject. Okay, so here noun can function in a sentence as subject, then it can function as an object. म्हणजे जसं सब्जेक्टचं काम करू शकतो तसंच ते नाउन ऑब्जेक्टचं पण काम करू शकतो, or object of a preposition, or it can be object of preposition. So these are the function of noun. म्हणजे वाक्यामध्ये ज्यावेळेस कुठेही नाउन आलं तर you will come to know that it can be either subject म्हणून आलं असेल, मे बी ऑब्जेक्ट म्हणून आले असू शकतं, किंवा ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ प्रेपोजिशन असं म्हणून आलं शकतं. सो आय लाईक टू गिव्ह एन एक्झाम्पल. तिथे मी एक्झाम्पल सेंड करतो चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये. पीपल हॅव टू टेल मी या वाक्यामध्ये नाउन कुठले आहेत. आय हॅव सेंड इट इन टू चॅट बॉक्स. रोहित प्लेज क्रिकेट. कुठले नाउन? एक आहे का दोन आहेत की किती आहेत?
दोन आहेत.
दोन.
Okay, there are two nouns. Which are they?
रोहित
Rohit and cricket.
Yes, Rohit and cricket. Yes, these are two
रोहित आणि
nouns.
क्रिकेट.
Okay, now,
Rohit and cricket.
okay, fine. Now pay attention. की या दोन नाउन मध्ये, so first is Rohit. So what is function of noun in this sentence? Rohit's function काय? Whether it is subject है, or whether object है, or object of preposition.
Subject.
Subject.
It's subject. Okay, all you people write subject. Because subject comes in the beginning. Subject काय करतो? क्रिया करण्यास, action is done by subject. So that is subject. And now I'll ask that cricket, what is function of cricket in this sentence?
Object.
Yes,
Object.
it is.
Object.
So sentence मध्ये noun अशा पद्धतीने येऊ शकतं and it can function like subject, object किंवा object of preposition. आता object of preposition, that's an example I will see in chat box. I have sent one sentence. I spoke to Nitin. या वाक्यामध्ये किती nouns आहेत?
एक.
One.
Only one noun it is. Yes, and that's Nitin. All you people are right. Okay. आता यामध्ये मला सांगा, ही जे नाउन नितीन आहे, बिफोर दॅट व्हॉट इज द प्रेपोजिशन टू आहे की नाही? टू. आय स्पोक टू नितीन. सो दिट इज कॉल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ प्रेपोजिशन. ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ प्रेपोजिशन म्हणजे काय की प्रेपोजिशनच्या नंतर आलेलं जे नाउन असतं त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ प्रेपोजिशन. सो इन दिस एक्झाम्पल नितीन इज ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ preposition. Is it clear? Okay, fine. So you people can read some examples which are given here on this slide. So examples of noun are girl. You pay attention to the pronunciation also. Many of us, we have habit of saying girl. We shouldn't say girl. It is not girl. In Marathi, it is influence of our mother tongue. In fact, if you are saying girl, it is not girl. You people have to pronounce it as girl. So that sound of r, sometimes it remains silent or it is not that much strong. So you not come to know that any person who is speaking English is pronouncing r there. So it is just girl. Then this is book. This is Mary. Mary is the name of person. Paris. Paris is name of place. Bird. That is also, you shouldn't say bird. It is not bird. You people have to say bird. Then it's education and love. So all these are examples of noun, and if we people use them in sentence, then it will decide whether it is subject, object or object of preposition. काय म्हणून वापरलं हे त्यांचा वाक्यामध्ये वापर केल्याशिवाय आपल्याला कळणार नाहीये, लक्षात येणार नाहीये. ओके. सो वी विल ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड सेम थिंग्स विथ वन मोर स्लाइड. पुढच्या स्लाइड मध्ये आपण बघूया की याच गोष्टी आणखी आपल्याला चांगल्या पद्धतीने लक्षात येतील. So it says same thing. What is a noun? So it is in pictorial form. You can observe. The noun is nothing but it is a person, a place, maybe animal or thing. And here we people have classification. In person, it can be again girl or boy. It can be mom and dad. It can be grandma and grandpa. It can be Mr. Jones. So all these are person. All these are people which are coming here. And in place, you people can mention again, school is the name of place where you go usually. Maybe home is a place. Playground, it is also place. Zoo is also place. Okay, so that is not only example. There are so many examples, in fact. And in animals, it will come dog is animal. Bee. Identically it is not animal, but in category of animal we people will take it to bee. So bee is not animal at all, it is insect. Then frog, that is also animal. Cow, lizard, all these are animals. And in things, you may consider book, you people may consider flower is thing, shoe is book, pencil, shoe is thing, pencil is also thing. Okay, so you people can make a list of such examples. You people just mention, write down, a noun is a person, place, animal, thing. Also, you make this category person, place, animal, thing, and you add more examples of noun. In person, you people try to add few examples. In place, you people try to add few examples. In animal, you try to add and things also. Okay. Or you can just take a snapshot of this slide and afterwards you people can do it. But do something. म्हणजे नुसतं जर आपण लेक्चर अटेंड करतोय आणि तेवढं खूप छान समजतंय आणि मग निवांत राहणं, नो. यू पीपल हॅव टू टेक एफर्ट्स, थोडं आणखी आपले प्रयत्न त्यामध्ये यायला हवे आहेत. ओके. सो आय होप दॅट यू पीपल हॅड नोटेड इट डाऊन किंवा स्नॅपशॉट घेतला असेल असं मी कन्सिडर करतो. अँड आय विल गो टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So next slide, it is about types of noun. So only noun, that is simple. But now if we decided to discuss their types, so let's see here. People will get list of 8 to 10 nouns are there, and we'll talk about them. So first one is common noun. Then there is proper noun. Abstract noun is there. Concrete noun is there. Countable noun is there. Uncountable noun is there. Compound noun is there. Collective noun is there. Material noun is there. Singular noun is there. And plural noun is there. I'm sure that many of students might having some idea about this. What are these? Some are very simple and some we people need to discuss. Okay. So in singular, plural, is there anything to teach? There is nothing to teach about this. We know singular means ekvachni, ek asna, and plural means more. Yes, more than two. So that is called plural. Maybe for example, if I write boy, then it becomes boys. You have to add es or es to them. Or if I give another example, if it is book, then it will be books. People are going to add yes. Or if it is other things, in that case sometimes you need to add es also. And there are some nouns that you have to remember that its plural is totally different. For example, if it is foot, then what is plural of foot? Foots.
Feet.
Feet. Yes, they are
Also
totally.
tooth, sir.
Also tooth, it becomes teeth. Okay, so these are some examples which makes plurals totally different. Okay, so if I give example, you people have to tell me what is plural. I think this is last minute, we are going to disconnect. Okay, so those people who are joining late, you people have to mark your attendance. Send me your attendance into chat box so that I have to mark it. I did not realize the time. This is the last minute. The remaining part we will discuss in the next class. Roll number 10, 11, 14, 20 आहेत का? 10, 11, 14, 20. Then roll number 41, 42, 44 आहेत का? And 59. Okay, so noun आपण पुढच्या लेक्चर मध्ये